Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Meghalaya Aero and Adventure Sports Association kan Pynlong ka Meghalaya Open Paragliding Accuracy Championship and Asian League Qualification na kahinyaw Haduh tarik unopra Al-Hajar Apuar Hamadan Rableng. Ha kane ka paragliding kindan chispa sa saungot kinong benta na kihinyaw telikiri. Inong job ha kane ka jingekun kinyo ye ki medal bat ka pisa ka bakhat san spa euro si hajar euro bat san spa euro.
Naka association ni mo Pynlong ka international paragliding accuracy championship kamanlang po Madan Rapleng ti jam sa ilom na new tarik Haduh tarik ti Haduh mentay kita don Haduh si Spartan ki participants lawan nakaleng kari India juni pilots bat kumjuru naka bari Jena bagi kita dan kiri ke Korea, tika hari mereka Nepal, Indonesia. La ni mut register harus kau teli kiri ke bawah bagi. But the local pilots badan po India itu ke one year yang ke championship. Ti hamni bat ni mentah idon Vice President jongka FAI Federation Aeronautic International, Vice President jongka India, Mr. Colonel Sukhdeep from the Army. Ini John, ini Managing Director jongka association jungi.
Regarding the event, like it's the name of the event is Meghalaya Accuracy Championship, and it's combined with the Asian League qualification also. So there is two. Technically speaking, there are in one game there will be two games actually. So this is Asian League also, and first time it's happening in India. We'll be choosing the pilots, the Indian pilots who wants to qualify for the Asian League happening in Thailand next year, maybe January or February. I don't know the exact date. And for this event, I'm the coordinator first. I'm doing all the coordination with the main body, the FAI, and the chief judge also. I'm appointed the chief judge as a chief judge for the event. And this is like I can say that we are very lucky. Like we are getting more than expected participation. Like when we got a sanction from FAI, like we had asked that maximum we will allow 100 pilots. That's like normally 100 number is hard to get for the participation, but now the registration is today 8 o'clock when I checked, the registration is at 143, and many of the pilots now they are contacting us through WhatsApp, email, direct calls that they really want to come and participate in this event. Though we had kept like we already had reached 100 day before yesterday itself. So then today, after discussion with the organizer, because organizer has to take care of the logistics, the accommodation, the food, the transport, the local transport during the competition. So they said they will be able to, they give me the go ahead. Then I asked the permission of the FAI also. Then said it's okay. Then we can, if there is a good response, then to grow this sport in India, you can definitely increase the number. So now we have increased the number to 110, and like 107 are confirmed. So, but we will not be increasing beyond 110 because it goes beyond our capacity. And and it's like talking about the FAI. FAI is the world governing body of the aerosports, and the athletes who comes here, they once they compete, then they get into a ranking. Like we always fight for the world ranking. So out here they have a very good opportunity to increase the ranking for the Indian pilots, because normally when I was competing in my competing days, there used to be no competitions actually organized in India, very few, and it was hard. So to get one WRS points, I had to go abroad, like many countries, and definitely the finances take the toll. But out here, like now, like organization like MASA is there, like they are very supportive to me to make me organize this event here, to bring this event, this championship to Meghalaya. And we have a very good site, also technical site. I was here last year, and we found it very good. The wind conditions, then the weather is perfect. We can make many rounds, like 6-7 hours of flying time we get out here at the Lightroom. And another thing is, then out of these 143, like 7 countries have registered, for 7 different nations have registered, and still we are getting few queries. So maybe 10, 11 more countries we'll have in total participation. So technically again, like more the participant, the more nations participant we have, the value of the competition rises. And one of the pilot who's coming, he's Jafro, he's Indonesian, and he was the Asian championship for a very long time. So the people, like when they come and compete in our this event, this championship, there is a formula how the event this quality gets the quality happens. So the quality goes up. So we are in a very we are very lucky, and we are in a very good position now to hold the competition.
Actually, we are looking forward from the state government, then from the tourism department. So we have received, as of now, what we had spoken to the government is they have given us 25 lakhs, but we are in talks with the government to increase the funding so that we can do better for them. Actually, we are doing trainings for the youths also right now, and the training has been sponsored by MSSDS, Skills Development Department. There are 30 students right now training at Madan Rapling, and these youths will prepare themselves in a matter of 2-3 years, so that they can also go for competitions. And through this kind of training, they can set up their own livelihoods in the respective areas where they can earn. Since this is a project which we promote, not only sports, but it promotes tourism. So by we have done a lot of recce's in different districts of Meghalaya, Janjay Hills, then West Khasi Hills, then East Khasi Hills and all. We have seen that Meghalaya has a capacity to do a lot of paragliding activities. And here is a Colonel Sukhdeep Sachdeva. He's from the army. So he would like to speak something about, he had done paragliding in many countries in the world.
This is indeed a great day for development of the sport in Meghalaya. So firstly, the initiative has been taken by MASA, the president, and the state government and the people have been very kind to promote the sport. They are funding us. We've carried out a recce of a lot of sites in Shillong, and the competition is going to be held in Raplang. It's a very beautiful site. We have more than a participation of, like Raju brought up, more than about 107, 110 pilots from various nations. 7-8 nations have confirmed, including Indians, Nepalese, Singaporeans, Indonesians. What is important, which I want to highlight here, this event should in Meghalaya be the front runner for the development of sport, because an international level sporting event of paragliding has never been conducted, and that also which is sponsored by or rather approved by the FAI, the Federation Aerosports International. So 3 things which I basically wanted to say. Let this be not only a major event, let this be the start point for growth of the new generation pilots, because Meghalaya, Shillong, all the adjoining areas of Smith Valley have huge potential for growth. Like today's young pilots, of course, will have a long, beautiful future.
When we talk about the pilots from Meghalaya, we do have certified pilots, but they're eventually, like, according to the guidelines that they have, so now the minimum is P2. And right now, most of the pilots that we have over here in Meghalaya, we have P1. So unfortunately, they might not be able to participate, but depending on the situation, probably we'll have to see. If it's possible, then yes, we are certainly,
One from Meghalaya.
Jovial, yes. One.
So,
Jovial,
yeah, we have
Jovial
one.
is confirmed. He's confirmed. one Shillong pilot is definitely confirmed, he's participating. Because it requires a minimum level of certification to reach that level. Only you've reached the level of P3 and done that, then you'll be able to participate. So at the moment, Jovial is participating from Shillong, Meghalaya, Shillong.
Explain like, okay, what our intentions based on this and why we're actually doing it at the same time, and we really want to make sure, you know what, that this will be the gateway for not just for tourism but the same for sports, and at the same time we're actually creating employment for the youths, and in this way we can actually divert a lot of people from certain things into these kind of activities. And with the help of the government, I feel like, you know what, we are actually going to make it, and there will be something which is much more beautiful that is going to come out from this one.